Hey friends, we're going to talk about ordinal numbers. That's what we're talking about in math. So I see here on my screen, my title says ordinal numbers. So take a look at my line. I have animals on my line here, and there's two types of math questions that we could ask right here. We could say number one, counting. I could ask you, how many animals do you see? Go ahead and count. How many animals do you see on the line? Let's count them together. Starting with the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is counting. But another type of math question that I could ask you is how to order them. I could ask you what they are in order. So I could ask you, out of my line of animals, which animal is first? That means that you're not counting the animals anymore. You're telling me what their order is. So if I said which animal was first, what would you tell me? Yes, the frog. I know it looks kind of weird, but that's a frog. Let's practice some questions here. Which animal is sixth? So you do have to pronounce the TH there. So when I'm counting, you can count them to figure out the order. So which animal is sixth? You would count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I'm going to write under here the. So now you try. Which animal is seventh? Go ahead and count them. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So if you said dog, you were correct. What position is the turtle? So position is what the word is when I'm asking what the ordinal number is. So I don't say what ordinal number is the turtle. I say what position is the turtle. So when I count them, I'll say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. The turtle is the 11th. Now you try. What position is the fish? Go ahead and count them. Start first, second, third, keep going. Excellent. You should have said the 12th. So let's think about some things that we also order. Because right now I know it's just my animals on a line, but there are things in real life that we put in order. Like the days on the calendar. Today is September 14th. So we don't say that today is September 14 because we're not counting the days. Remember up at the top, we're not counting the days. We're telling the order of the day. So we are saying on the calendar, we say which day is first, which day is second, this day is third, this day is fourth. We're telling the order of the days on the calendar. So today is the 14th day of September in order. What else? The days in school. Today is the 5th day of school. So again, we are counting the days, but we're talking about the days in order. So we had the first day of school, and then in order they are first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. This is the 5th day of school in order. Races, also when you're running a race, you tell the person who wins in their order. Nobody says how many people are in the race. You say who won the race. What order did they win the race? Antonio won a second place medal. So that tells you what order he was in. He wasn't first, he was second. So we're not counting the runners. There's not 2 runners in the race. There's many runners in the race, but Antonio was the second one in order to win a medal.